What's that?
This is the one we've been looking for. The last piece of the floor.
There we go.
It's gonna fit.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Perfect fit.
Don't even barely even need to put it in, you know.
Nope. I don't even think we need to nail it. What do you think?
Oh, we just finished the second floor subfloor. We're gonna put a few knee walls in for trusses, snap a few lines, and we are ready.
Sounds good.
Got the stairs going in. Got the second floor on. Getting everything prepped and ready for trusses. So I've been gone the last few days working down in Alabama, but I'm back checking on the progress. Looks like they got some stuff done, and getting everything all prepped, ready for trusses coming tomorrow or the next day. Hey Mike, you got any tips for putting in this staircase?
Wait till it's 70.
Wait till it's 70 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot better than 25 degrees, huh?
Yeah.
Psych, you thought we were going all the way up? Not quite yet. We're getting close. We're putting up these LVLs. Our trusses are gonna sit on them, hang over for a nice covered porch. Oh. Perfect, good job. We're tucked way back here. We got the truss truck in. Now we just got to figure out how to get the trusses unloaded and still get the semi out of here in time for the crane to come in and get set up to set them up top. This could be interesting. A little bit muddy, a little bit soupy, and a lot of tight quarters. I hope the driver's pretty good. Let's hope. We're stuck. Whoa. See if he can back up just a little. Oh no, he's going forward. Oh, so close. Probably need me to push. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, try number 2. Oh yeah, give it some juice. Let's go. Don't take out the porta potty on the turn. Turn it, baby, turn it, baby. Keep going, give it some gas. Let's go. Oh yeah. We're home free, baby.
Now do we want to bring them back?
Yeah. Take number 17. Finally got him into position to hopefully get the weight off of these back tires, and that because it's lifting up the front cab to where hopefully he can spin and get out of here. Let's hope. We got Home Depot saving the day again, getting some sand under these tires. Hopefully that's gonna be enough. We got the Chevy, pulling him out like butter. Send him backwards a little. We're getting in it pretty deep now. Fun stuff. Sliding City. Don't try this at home. He's sinking. He ain't moving. We got a new plan. We got a 2-wheel drive F750. We're gonna try to pull this baby backwards. That went nowhere. We're gonna roll these trusses all the way up to the front, hopefully to give us enough leverage. These nice rollers make it easy. And hopefully that gives us enough leverage to get out of here. It's important to get out of here today because we got a bunch of rain coming in, and when that comes, we're stuck. I mean stuck. Here I'm a little out of breath.
Have to get him to go forward a little bit.
Yes. Yes. He's gonna pull forward a little. Maybe. Oh, we're moving. Oh, we're moving. Oh.
Hold up. Get your tires and slowly roll forward. Don't get your gas. Go.
We're getting somewhere. Don't know where. Closer to the porta potty for sure. This is fun. Makes the day exciting. This makes the day exciting. We broke the strap. So, in the time it's taken us, I've grown a gray beard. My skin's starting to get wrinkly. We've been here a while. Oh yeah, even that right there helped. We just got to get this puppy straight. All right, we just got him straight. I just got word from Brooke that we've got 3 great grandkids by now. Hopefully we can get out here and I can go meet them for the first time.
Yeah, that might be good. While we're still right here, let's hook you up and pull him out. Yeah.
We officially don't have any more sand on the beach because Darwin's carried it all in these buckets. I mean, this is our chance right here. We've got everything leveled, everything flattened out, all the sand under the tires that's been. This is our shot to get him. If it doesn't work, we're screwed. Temp number 733. Oh yeah, baby! She's moving, keep going! We've been here so long, I had my attorney come and update my will.
Keep going with it.
We think we got it this time, but we thought that, ooh, that breaks. Hopefully I'm out of the path.
Keep your tires straight. Go, keep going. Keep going. Turn your tires. Keep coming.
Stop! Woo! Oh yeah, look at it smile. Woo! Don't forget to dump the trusses. All right, so here's the deal. We got the truss guy out of here. You can see he's gone, but he's stuck halfway up that big hill. The crane is on the other side of him, helping him get out. So we're just gonna set all these by hand, and just keep things moving forward. So this is what it's gonna look like. So we got our pile of trusses. We got our 2x8s that we slide them up, slide them on across, carry them in place. So we've got our we've got our truss in position to slide up as soon as them guys get over here. All right, so they drag it over, manhandle it up. We'll just keep doing it by hand. All right, so we got all the trusses up and we had to get them all up here and just lean them up. We got this end one up, we got it leveled, we got it braced. Now all we gotta do is slide these trusses right on down and in place, and we are done with this part. We got some bracing going at angles to keep all the trusses from falling over in the wind that's coming, storm coming in tomorrow. And then we'll start setting the rest of these trusses and field framing that gable.